We all know that energy is the ability or capacity to do work, and that we need energy in our everyday lives, to the point that we can't even live without it. So we have such things as energy bars, energy drinks, and more. But did you know that there are many forms of energy, and yet they all fall into two basic categories: the potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy. Potential energy is energy stored in a substance or an object due to its position, state, or arrangement. It is affected by the mass and location of the object with respect to the ground. This is the formula for potential energy, where PE is potential energy in joules, M is the mass of the object, G is the gravitational acceleration, and H is the height of the object from the reference point. Some examples that increase potential energy includes a bike getting further off the ground, roller coasters being pulled up to their starting positions, a book on a shelf, and a rubber band being stretched. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion that measures the amount of work an object can do because of its motion. It derives from Greek word kinetikos, which means moving. This is the formula for kinetic energy, where Ke is the kinetic energy in joule, m is the mass of the object, and v is the speed of the object in meter per second. A moving car, a flying airplane, a roller coaster going down, and a baseball thrown by a pitcher are some examples of kinetic energy. Now, you may be wondering why roller coasters are both an example of potential and kinetic energy. To answer, as roller coasters go up, they store energy, which make it an example of potential energy. On the other hand, when roller coasters go down, they go into motion, resulting in the decrease of potential energy and the increase of kinetic energy. In other words, the potential energy of roller coaster converts into kinetic energy as it goes down, therefore making roller coasters an example of both potential and kinetic energy. Roller coasters are not the only example of this. Skateboard, tire swings, and others also have both potential and kinetic energy in them. It just depends on whether they are still or in motion. And that is all for my presentation. I'm Yvonne Chloe, and I hope that now you understand more about potential and kinetic energy. Thank you for listening, and goodbye!